Simple tips to help you understand how to make money online. It's easier than ever to earn money online. Each year, more people join the growing percentage of people who earn money online. The internet lets you make beer money or a living. Continue watching to find out how you can make a living online. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Take paid surveys online if you want to make some extra cash on the side. Market research companies will want to get as much consumer feedback as possible, and these surveys are a great way to do this. Surveys may range anywhere from 5 cents to $20 depending on the type you do. If you are a good writer, there are many opportunities for you online when it comes to making extra money. For example, check out video writing sites where you can create content to be used for search engine optimization. Many pay more than a few cents per word, making it worth your while. Try doing some surveys online. You will not make as much money as you would with some other types of online work. These surveys usually do not take long, and they usually just ask for your opinion. If you join a legitimate survey site, those cents can quickly add up to some extra cash. Check out the reviews before you hang your shingle at any one site. For example, working for Google as a search result verifier is a legit way to make some extra cash. Google is a huge company and they have a reputation to uphold, so you can trust them. Create honest reviews of some of the new software that is out on the market today. Software Judge is a site that will pay you to try out this new software and create a review of how good or bad you think it is. This will skyrocket your earnings if you can do this often. Scammers abound online. You need to check every company before you agree to get money from them. You can verify whether or not a company is legitimate by looking through the Better Business Bureau. This video has shown you the way to make money online. You can have more economic freedom and enjoy a higher quality of life this way. Use the information located above to help steer you towards success. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.